On late Monday evening, 3 teenagers encountered wild elephant at Bormati Khula area. This unfortunate incident was encountered when they were on their way back to home after dropping their friend at Arnam Teplong. The incident took place late Monday evening when group of friends were returning from Arnam Teplong area after dropping their friend at his residence. The teenagers were on their bicycles when they encountered wild elephants out of nowhere at the middle of the road at Bormati Khula area, 4 kilometers away from Keroni. The teenagers tried to escape and ran for their lives. Unfortunately, one teenager, identified as Borim Pangcho, 13 years of age, crashed straight into the elephant. The elephant, out of fear, retaliated and attacked the youngster. The youngster obtained severe injury. The villagers came out to rescue them when one of the teenagers was yelling for help.
Rijaban tentang ting olmati ama cicini ni dalam tobaranta kita heklong pami ada dalam ke ya nenen sing nak tawang lo ke cetek tolong ada dalam pada hala ang bong ke do bang tumbang thomang lo pada aprang siba par jalo pada ang bong bang puri lo cetong der lo malah bang daksi lo pada ni tumta tong dundar man tumbang thang the dalo sita ne bang keson ni jok chilo paren tumbai kajilo dakpa ama ala bang si phodalo amen ne bor im bangcho.
The villagers managed to chase the elephants and rescue the teenagers. The victim, Borim Pangcho, was immediately taken to Keroni Hospital for his immediate medication, but due to his critical injury, he was later referred to Hojai.
Dak hospital long mansi admit lo anta dak bang idet ilo besi kapen refer to court amasi hojai pona kulo hojai hospital along sit amar adak kipon seksi tami le amilo lapen adak Kilipen ang pansitami admit fitlo.
The victim, Borim Pangcho, was the son of Longki Pangcho, resident of Langdisa, Dimahasao. He is in 7th standard at Mon Memorial English School, Keroni, currently residing at Aman Tharvi Hidi village for his higher studies. Mohan Teron report from Keroni, Karbi Anglong Live.